Well, here we are, day 2 at my new job at the police station. Getting a little nervous. I still don't know much yet, but I also got me thinking about my sociology class the other day. We say that, society demonstrates a bunch of social inequalities, but a lot of people don't even realize it until it's slapped them in the face. Heck, I didn't realize this one until I thought about it. Here we go. Okay, like I said, this is only my second day on the job. I don't know much at all. My senior cadet, who's been here for 4 years, is training me today. She pretty much knows the department inside and out, knows every answer to every question. So I'm just kind of nervous, trying to take it all in, see what I can learn, what she can teach me. And, oh shoot, we got a customer. Hold on.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
What can I do about this ticket?
Well, it's a parking ticket, so all parking tickets are taken up at the parking office, which is right down the hall to your left.
I don't think so. I thought I could take care of this here.
Nope, all parking tickets are brought to the parking office.
I don't think you know what you're talking about. Sir, can you help me out with this?
Well, what seems to be the problem, sir?
I'm trying to ask her what to do with this ticket, and she keeps thinking I was born yesterday and won't tell me what to do.
Well, I mean, she's kind of like training me. I'm sure she knows what she's talking about. It says parking ticket. I would imagine that. I think you take it up at the parking office out there. I mean, that's what my guess would be. Is that right? Is that doesn't he do that?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I think that's what you do, sir.
All right. Well, thank you a lot, sir. I really appreciate it.
Didn't you explain to him that was supposed to be done with the parking office?
Yeah.
Thing about what happened at work earlier, it got me wondering, why did that guy act that way? Why did he pretty much disregard what my training cadet said and looked to me for the answer? And it kind of got me thinking about my sociology class and how we just got done talking about social inequalities, and I realized, well, maybe he has this whole mindset that the man knows what he's talking about and the female should just stay back and just let the man do the job, when in reality he didn't even realize that I was the low man on the totem pole in the situation. I had no idea what was going on. My senior cadet had been there for 4 years, so she knew the answer that he was asking about regarding the parking ticket. And instead of listening to her and saying, okay, thank you, he turned to me saying that she doesn't know anything and that I would have the answer and should be able to tell him. See, I feel like society almost creates these rules that men are superior in any work field and women are less superior. They're the inferior. But in reality, it's not the gender that makes the person fit for the job. It is the skills that they acquire to do the job. For instance, you don't have to be a male to be a police officer. Females are very successful in this field too, as long as they obtain the skills that are required for that job. Same with males. If you don't retain and get those skills down to a science, you are not going to do well in the field. And I think that's what society has completely looked over. They're saying that, oh, males are the ones who are supposed to take charge, when in reality that is completely wrong. Looking back on the situation, I wish I would have stood up for my training cadet, but instead I just let it slide. I just said, sir, you need to take it up to the parking office. I kind of tried saying that's what she told you, or what she told him, but I wish I would have stepped in more and said, sir, you need to listen to her. She knows exactly what she's talking about, and I'm just training, I'm observing. I highly suggest that you listen to her. She seems to know what she's doing. So I just wish I would have defended her a little more, and I'm going to start keeping an eye on that more further down the road in my job. And I think that everyone should start looking out for social inequalities no matter where they are, whether it's gender inequality or race inequality or something that they see that they know is wrong, and I think they should definitely stand up for.